Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen of the YouTube universe? You got the old Mongo man back with you here out in Mongo's garage this evening, Monday night. It's roughly 10:20, sometime around then, just finished up. We had football this evening, and then after football, we came right on out here to Mongo's garage and got some work done. Cheryl came out with me tonight, and we got some more cutting done. She got some more tearing apart done, and we definitely made some headway tonight. Let's show you what we did. So laying here on the table used to be over there, right? But the table is not over there anymore. Cheryl cleaned it all off, and now it is over here in preparation to go ahead and get the resin on all these parts. These are the little stripes that go on the side panels, these little short pieces. They're 2 inches wide by however long they need to be. And then there's various pieces in there of cushions and things of that nature. Everything has been sanded. I ease over the edges with the grinder and a buffing wheel, just to keep it from cutting the material and keep it all looking good. That stuff over there still needs to be done. There's a little message there for everybody. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We hit a milestone tonight. The channel has reached 250 subscribers. That's 1/4 of the subscribers required, to become monetized. So as of right now, the channel, of course, is not monetized because of the YouTube rules of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So we have reached the first 25% of that goal. So thank you everyone who has subscribed so far. And those of you that keep on watching without subscribing, I sure would appreciate it if you just went over there and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, you may as well just hit the bell notification button. That way, every time I do upload a new video, you'll be notified that the Mongo Man is at it again. So what else we did tonight? I did cut the last cushion piece for this. If you remember last night, this piece was still an old piece of wood, and now it's a new piece of wood. So that is ready to go. This is the carpet that Cheryl took off. Those are actually the footwell bulkheads, left and right hand side. I still have to cut those. That is the piece that goes over the fuel tank. Haven't decided yet whether I'm going to make that removable on the new boat, the new floor. These are the side panels we talked about. These are the mounting holes that mount all those little strips that I showed you earlier. We got all those drilled. The only thing that we still have to do is to drill the mounting holes for that cushion in the front, the knee cushion I've been calling it. Essentially, it's this cushion here. I got to drill the holes in this that mount it to the seat. And I got to drill the holes in the back, the pieces that mount these two cushions on. We'll have to have holes drilled in them as well. So, short of that, pretty happy with what we've got done tonight. The garage is definitely getting a little cleaner. We've got a couple bags here full of foam for different components. I believe that's all the components for the seat. And then these are left and right hand side panels. This over here is all of the fiberglass that is required to put the boat back together, to put Phoenix back together. So that'll start to come together here very, very, very soon as we prepare to resin coat all of the bare plywood and componentry that has all been cut. So I got a couple more things that still need to be cut over here. Essentially, they are this little panel here, which has got the hour meter attached to it. That still has to be cut out. If you look there on the bench underneath that license plate, that's actually one of the covers for the shelf. This is the transom. The transom needs to be sanded on the corners and edges and prepped for installation into the boat. That way we can get it coated as well. That one doesn't have to be coated with final or finishing resin. That one can be coated with regular resin. These panels here still need to be sanded. And what these are the left front and right front bottoms and the side panels. I gotta check these side panels out because the boat curves, as you can see with that, with that front left bottom. So this will be turned this way. This side of it right here is where you would walk into the bow of the boat, and this side out here that's curved in is the outside of the boat. And essentially, if I grab one of these, they go something like this on the outside of that. So they're gonna probably have to be relief cut so that they'll go around that curve. I do know that they need a bunch of holes drilled in them, and they need it sanded. So that's what we've got going on there. That piece of 2x4 there, Douglas fir, is where the rear deck lid, which is sitting there, that's the motor cover, that actually needs to be torn apart and cleaned up. I'll have to cut that out as well of the new 3/4 inch, which is the last piece of 3/4 I have left, which everything is stacked on right now. So that piece will be earmarked for the rear motor cover. So yeah, that's what we've got done this evening. Just a bunch of cutting, some cleaning, some more prep work, trying to get things moving along here. And we are moving along. It's just taking a slow pace, but slow is better than none at all, I'll tell you that. So Cheryl reminded me that tonight, evidently today, 1 year ago was the first time that we took Rona out. So Rona, today would be the 1 year anniversary for the first time that we took that boat into the water. And right now, my new boat, Phoenix, is nowhere near ready for the water. So we're gonna be turning up the burners here, trying to get this done so that we can get it in the water before the end of the season, have some fun with it and enjoy all the work that we've done to it. And then we'll put it away for the winter and definitely enjoy it next spring for sure. So that's all the Mongo Man's got for you all tonight. Come back tomorrow when hopefully we do a little bit more cutting, some more prep work. Maybe even we get Cheryl to mix up some resin and start coating all this bare wood in fiberglass resin. So until then, thanks for coming back. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification button, and just have a good time. You know, that's what we're here for. We're trying to entertain you guys. We're trying to share some of this crazy stuff because Lord knows not everybody's going to do this kind of a crazy job. And I hope you guys are enjoying it. You Four Winds owners and all the other people out there that are trying to do this on your own. Thanks for watching. Hope you're getting some inspiration, maybe learning a little bit of this, that, and the other, and having fun in general. So, all right, Mongo Man is out.